Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Jaguar F-Type. It's on an 18 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 3-door car with those black alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside its boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have that singular central exiting tailpipe. We have reversing sensors as well, and given the nature of the vehicle, plenty of boot space. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on that left-hand side, we have the speedometer. On the right-hand side, the rev counter. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car there, 24,540. Also in that section, the fuel gauge, the coolant temperature gauge, and the trip computer for the car. At the top of that section, we've got a digital readout for the speedometer. If we back out to the steering wheel controls next, we have our stereo and phone controls, our cruise control and speed limiter, the plus and minus paddles behind the steering wheel so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox should you wish to. And then into the center next, we have the main touchscreen. So you can adjust from here various different things. Starting with that top left-hand corner, we have our audio menu. This car has got DAB, FM and AM radio all available. You can come back a page from here. You can also listen to your music via, and it will come up here once you've paired up your phone, Bluetooth audio should you wish to. We can come back to the home screen at any time we wish to down in that bottom right-hand corner. You can, from here, pair up your telephone to the car. You can access your satellite navigation just here as well. And in the top right-hand corner, you'll be able to determine what direction you would like the air distributed in once it enters the car. We have physical controls for your dual zone climate control, which we're going to come to in just a moment. If we scroll across to the next screen, we've got a few more options on that section as well. And if I pop the vehicle into reverse, you can see it just there, a full color reversing camera as well. So below that screen, we have the physical climate control settings. So you can adjust your driver and your passenger temperatures. You can push that in to adjust the heated seats. So you've got 3 different heat settings for the passenger seat, and again the same here for the driver seat. You can turn those on and off very easily. We can adjust the fan speed within the car as well. The air conditioning is on at the moment, so you can turn that off and on, and you can tell it's on by that light that's on just there, which is a little hard to see when the sun is shining through. But that's your air conditioning on, and that's it turned off again. Auto will mean that the car takes control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain those temperatures for you. Press auto again or override the fan speed to put it back on your own settings. We can also recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the settings that you've got here in terms of temperature, of course. We have our hazard warning lights, we have a proper heated front screen and a heated rear screen. Underneath here, a 12-volt charging socket, the start and stop button for the engine itself, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and your volume for your stereo. On here you can control the driving setup. So you can have it in normal, which we've got it in at the moment. You can put it in dynamic track mode, back to normal, and then if you wish to, you can also put it in rain, ice and snow mode, and then again back to normal there. And then finally, in terms of the controls here, we've got our electronic handbrake. We can make the exhaust system louder with a push of a button. We've got a traction control, we can turn on and off. We can turn off our stop and start, and we can raise and lower the boot spoiler. And we've also got 2 cup holders. Last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic roof. We have a manual blind that you can open and close. The glass section itself is fixed in place, but as you can see, that lets in a huge amount of additional light to this cabin area. The last thing I wanted to show you is just a sample of some of the paperwork we have here. So the V5 registration document, of course, showing it's a 2-owner car from new, and then a service printout from Jaguar themselves showing from the bottom to the top here, services in 2018, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 2023, all Jaguar main dealer services. all that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.